Hi, in this quick video I will unbox the NVIDIA L40S GPU by PNY. This is a powerful graphics card built for workstations and data centers for professionals who work with AI, 3D design and video production. It's built with the Lovelace Architecture, which makes it super fast and efficient. This GPU has 48 gigabytes of GDDR6 memory, which helps when handling huge files, detailed 3D models, or large AI datasets. It's great for creating realistic graphics, training AI models, and running multiple apps at once. The L40S also stays cool and quiet, even under heavy work. This GPU is not made for regular gaming. If you need top performance for creative or technical work, L40S is a solid choice. As of March 2025, the price for this model is approximately €9,600. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe for more tech reviews.